The workplace injury team deals with claims where clients have suffered an injury within an occupational setting. So the team is split into two different areas. The first team deals with asbestos-related illnesses, and the second team deals with workplace illness claims where clients have often suffered silicosis, white finger vibration, and other associated workplace injuries. The team represents clients who have suffered a workplace injury or illness. Often these clients are people who, for example, in the asbestos-related diseases claims, are often clients who worked in the 60s and 70s and were exposed to asbestos. They often worked as labourers, carpenters, engineers, and were exposed to asbestos during their work. And often their diagnosis doesn't come until years later, which is when they instruct us to investigate their claim. I would encourage others to work within this area of law is because it's not only a challenging but a very rewarding area to work within. It's challenging because often clients have worked for companies years ago, so the difficulty is trying to extract information and trying to get them to recollect information that will ultimately help with their case. And often you are working with clients who have worked for companies that are either not trading or are dissolved. So the difficulty comes in trying to investigate the entity and the company that they worked for, which will ultimately help in investigating their case. It's a very rewarding area to work within as well because you are helping people who are just doing their job. So trying to help with their rehabilitation and trying to get compensation for them that will ultimately help with their injury and with their families as well. It can be very rewarding. My tip for someone considering a career within this area is to research and gain exposure and experience as much as possible. The difficulty is that clients, because they worked for these companies such a long time ago, have difficulty in recollecting information and events and specific details. So if you have as much exposure and experience with other cases where other clients may have dealt with a similar area or a similar occupation, that will help in trying to extract information and actually might jog someone's memory and they can gain some more information that will ultimately help with us and help us investigate their case as well.